how the rod feels though. But nice fast tip. Try it again. Well, here we are about 2 minutes later, and Fenwick has struck again with another Tennessee largemouth. These rods are absolutely unbelievable. They're ultra sensitive, ultra strong. Man, I am thoroughly impressed. Another nice Tennessee largemouth. You know what's really cool is I know we're out here field testing these rods. But if you look down in that fish's mouth, you can see there's about a 3 or 4 inch shad tail sticking out. These fish are actually feeding up. But awesome rods. Love them.